Hi everyone, my name is Travis with Pronav Marine, and today we're going to show you an unboxing and installation of the Pronav Angler, a GPS autopilot for electric trolling motors. Today we're going to install the Pronav Angler on a Minn Kota Riptide 55-pound electric trolling motor. When you get the Pronav Angler, here's what you get. The first part of the installation is our 12 to 36 volt power supply cord. Next, you'll get the Pronav Angler adapter for various models of electric trolling motors. This one happens to be for Minn Kota Power Drive V2 and Minn Kota Riptides. And finally, this is the GPS component that will be attached to the trolling motor that provides the smart functionality that the Pronav Angler system delivers. When you unbox the Pronav Angler, the first thing you'll find is our quick start information cards. We have a couple different cards here to walk you through downloading the mobile application on any of your mobile devices, and we also have a quick start card to help introduce you to the product features. Next, we're going to cover the installation of the Pronav Angler on the Minn Kota trolling motor. Pronav Angler GPS has two possible installation positions. The first position locates the GPS unit directly on the shaft of the trolling motor. For this position, we need a minimum clearance of 6 inches between the Pronav Angler GPS and the trolling motor collar. The first step is to remove the thumb screw from the GPS head unit. There's a pin here that holds the clamp assembly together. And a collar that opens up with two different rubber pieces that will act as a sizing sleeve for the GPS unit. Once I have the clamp assembly pulled apart here, I'm going to position the larger sizing sleeve on the Minn Kota Power Drive and Riptide motors, like so. And now I'm going to align the Pronav logo with the portion of the sleeve that has the two ribs. And next, I'm going to bring the clamp assembly around the sizing sleeve. This will allow me to replace the pin through the hole here. And finally, I'm going to reinstall the thumb screw into the pin. The placement of the GPS unit on the shaft of the trolling motor does not have to be exact, but you'll want to align the GPS unit with the head and the direction that the trolling motor is facing. As I'd mentioned previously, you'll want a minimum clearance of 6 inches between the GPS unit and the collar on the trolling motor shaft. To accomplish this, we can slide this unit all the way up towards the head and then slide the collar towards the GPS to leave at least that 6-inch clearance. In cases where you're running in rough water or the trolling motor shaft length is not sufficient to allow the 6-inch clearance, we have an optional installation position that locates the GPS unit on top of the head of the trolling motor. Now that we've got the GPS unit installed either on the shaft of the trolling motor or in the second optional installation position, we're going to connect up the motor-specific adapter. The first step there is to run the GPS cable and connect that with our GPS unit. When we unpackage this, you're going to see that there are 4 different connections that need to be made from this module. The first is our power cable. The second is our GPS cable. And finally, the motor and foot pedal cables. The first step we'll do is to connect the GPS cable up to the GPS unit that we've just installed on the head or shaft of the trolling motor. We're going to route the GPS cable through the coil running from the base of the trolling motor to the head of the trolling motor. Once we have this cable routed, we're going to connect that to the cable coming out of the GPS unit. Now that we have the GPS cable routed, we're going to connect the power supply cable. In the box you'll also find our power supply extension cord. Our power extension cable comes with ring terminals on one end and an inline fuse. We're going to route these cables directly to the trolling motor batteries. Our power supply is designed to operate on a wide range of voltage from 9 to 36 volts to accommodate 12, 24, and 36 volt trolling motor models. Next, we're going to connect the power extension cable to the Angler adapter. Before we connect power to the device, we're going to connect the Pronav Angler adapter module to the foot pedal plug located at the base of the trolling motor. Before we connect the power supply to the adapter module, we're going to connect the adapter to the foot pedal plug located at the base of the trolling motor. The adapter has both a female and male connection piece. We're going to route the male connection into the foot pedal plug at the base of the motor and connect it like so. If you wish to use your foot pedal with the Pronav Angler system, you can attach the female end from the adapter directly to the foot pedal. Now that we've got the trolling motor adapter installed on the trolling motor and connected to the GPS unit, we can finally connect the Pronav Angler to a power supply. To do so, you're going to take these terminals and connect them directly to your trolling motor battery. You'll want to ensure that the ground is common with your trolling motor. When you connect the power supply for the Pronav Angler, disconnect your trolling motor first and then install the ring terminals for the Pronav Angler. After you've connected the Pronav Angler to your power supply, you can reconnect your trolling motor. Using any of your existing Minn control accessories, if you need to resume control of your vessel manually at any time, you can simply do so by reverting with the foot pedal or reverting with the fob. When using your Pronav Angler system, there are a handful of accessories that we also offer that can make your experience a little bit better. We offer RAM products and mounts that will secure your tablet or smartphone on the dash of your vessel and allow for quick and easy access for on-the-fly control. In addition, we offer external power packs that can be quickly attached to your tablet or phone. It's extremely easy to attach these external power supplies to the base of your RAM mount. Doing so will allow you to fish for an entire weekend without having to recharge your device.